Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. If you're new here, my name is Destiny, and today we're going to be doing a smoked out liner look. All the products that I use are going to be listed down below in the description box. Please comment down below what other looks you would like me to try. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alrighty, so I already washed my face and I already moisturized it, so now I'm just going to go in with my eye primer first. Since this is a putty eye primer, I personally like to warm it up with my fingertips first and then apply it. I just think it works better that way. Alrighty, so now that I have my eye primer on, since this is a very light primer, I'm just going to go in with a flat brush using the James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to first go in with the color Tune, and I'm just going to put this on the base of my lid. Always remember to tap off the excess. And we're just going to be putting this on the base of our lid. So recently in Chicago, it's been very gloomy and it's been raining a lot. I tend to post my plants a lot that I have outside on my balcony, and usually every morning before the sun comes out, I water them, right? That's because they're in these coconut nests, so the water drains very rapidly, so usually every morning the dirt is very dry, so that's why I have to water the plants. And because it's been raining so much, I haven't been doing it. But it wasn't raining yesterday, and I was going to water my plants, and guess what? There was this huge spider web. And by huge, I mean it was at least the size of a medium pizza. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the color Punch Me, and we're just gonna be putting this above our crease. I found this big web, and I was like, well, if there's a big web, that means that there's a big spider. And I'm looking, and guess what? There was a big spider. I know. So it's crazy because I've never seen a spider like this one before. It's like a stereotypical Halloween spider, which is the crazy part. Okay, we're gonna also just so we have what is called just like an outline of where we're gonna put the darker shade. This is just, you don't have to do that, but I'm just gonna do it so I know exactly where I want this liner to be. And then from that inner corner, we're just gonna go in this one. So yeah, it's like a stereotypical Halloween spider. It's black and orange legs, and I was like, okay. Now, I think spiders are very beautiful as long as they're on the other side of the glass. As long as they don't bother me, I don't have a problem with them, right? But guess what? Later that day, I also found out that it's a female spider. And you're like, Des, how did you find that out? Because I found the spider sack. Like that little nest that they have with the little eggs. Yeah, I found it. And conveniently enough, it's right where my sliding door is. The little in-between area. Now I don't know what to do, because any day now, I don't know how long it's been there. Like the spider sack, it could have been there for a while, but I don't know how long it's been there. And so I don't know what to do now. I don't want to have little tiny spiders in my apartment. And now I thought, ooh, okay, what if I just put the nest, like wrap it with a stick and then place it somewhere else? Well, I don't want to accidentally pop it, because if I pop it, then they're just gonna spread everywhere, and that's like, I don't want that. That's right where my sliding door's at. I don't know what to do. Okay, so you can't really see it, but now I'm also gonna go in with the color No Beans, and I'm just gonna deepen that a little bit. But I'm going to be using gonna be nice. Oh my god, I focused. Yeah. So I'm going to use a smaller rounded brush. But I'm also going to be blending this out so the liner doesn't look that insane. Small fluffy brush, and I'm just going to very lightly blend this out. And I'm not going in circles. I'm doing the window washer effect. If you would look at the videos that I posted prior to like the makeup videos, you can see that I used to have recipe videos, and I had like a whole system on how I used to do them, but obviously like this is different content. So I've been trying to figure out a system for myself for this content. Lately I've been on top of my game, guys. So I'm figuring out a new system for my makeup videos, to figuring out what works best for me to upload them, because I love making these videos, but I need a system. So I'm currently experimenting on that and trying to figure out what works, and it's been a ride, let me tell you that. I don't know how many times I've changed the system and tried to tweak it so it works better, but I'm telling you, I've been on my game. I've been getting so much work done, and I've been so focused. It's been great. It's been really good. Now, you could either use a black eyeshadow, or like myself, I'm going to be grabbing a gel eyeliner. This formula is extremely creamy, so it's going to be really easy for me to smudge this out. But use whatever is best, whatever you have or whatnot. And here we're just going to make this eyeliner line following the bottom lash line. And we're going to do the same thing for this eye. So I actually bought fake eyelashes, and I'm excited to use them, but I'm also afraid because when it comes to applying lashes, I tear up a lot, and it always messes up my makeup look and like irritates me so much. So hopefully that doesn't happen here. See how nicely that's smudged out? And now we're gonna do the line on the top. And here I'm gonna make a thick wing here, like so. And then it's gonna like fade out into my crease. And here you can just color it in a little bit with either the eyeshadow or the gel liner that you're using. And then we're gonna go in with a liquid eyeliner pen. Alrighty, so before I put on the gel eyeliner, we are gonna grab a shimmery shade. I think I'm gonna grab the shade Face, and then I'm just gonna grab it with my fingers because the natural oils on your fingers pick up the shimmery products very well. And I'm just gonna put this on my lid here, the angled brush, and I'm just gonna be grabbing the color Benny, and I'm just gonna be applying it to my lower lash line. I'm gonna skip this part because it's not a very flattering angle. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna be grabbing my liquid eyeliner, and I'm only gonna be applying it to the outer edge of the eyeliner look. I'll do it and then I'll show you. Alrighty, so you just go from the bottom lash line like this, cover this little area, and then do a very faint line fading out this way. Basically the same thing that we did with the shadow or gel liner that you used. I'm also going to be going in a little bit here in the front just to define that part of my eye a little bit more. Okay, this is the part where I'm most scared of, is applying the lashes. Because if I mess up, my eyes are gonna be very, very watery, and I'm afraid. Alrighty, so eyelashes are on. Now I'm just gonna do the rest of my face. I'm just gonna stop the camera right here, and then I will, when I come back, I'll have my full face. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. Please like and comment, subscribe down below. Remember that I'm here for you every Tuesday at 10 a.m. Central Time. Alrighty, bye!